What is up, guys? Welcome to Fire's channel, and in this video I'm just gonna be explaining to you about the colon base and the colon detail. And here we have the colon base, here we have the colon section for the underground one, and then here we have the colon going up. So here on the colon base, this dimension indicates the overall dimension, which is showing that this is the overall dimension of the colon base, the pad footing, and then here also indicates that it is the overall dimension. So here indicates that the middle of the colon base is around the side, so we have 750 mm and 750 mm to the side. So talking about the reinforcement inside the colon base, we have this here which indicates that 6Y1602 at 200 center to center bottom, which is saying that we are having 6 of this reinforcement going up here, 6 of Y12 at 200 center to center going up there, and the same thing happens here also. It is saying we need 6 of Y12 with benchmark of O2 at 200 center to center bottom, which is going to be stretched along this side, and the same thing happens here also, talking about the reinforcement. So let's just go to the section of the pad footing. Here we have the base of the colon, we have the blinding here, and then we have the colon base itself to be 300 mm. We have here the starter bar, which indicates we need 7 of Y10 to hold this reinforcement from here to here, and then we have the starter bar here going up, which we will join another one. The same thing also happens to this other side, and then moving to the colon detail itself along the side, which indicates that we have 6 of Y1601, which is the starter bar. And then if we were to look at the section, we can see here that we have 6 of the reinforcement, 1 2 3 and then 4 5 6. So 6 of this reinforcement is needed here, and then 13 of Y10 is needed to link the reinforcement together. And also here indicates we need 6 of Y16, and that is what everything is just saying. So going up here also to the roof beam, it is indicating that we need 13 of Y10 01 200 center to center link, and then that is what everything is saying. Only if the colon is different, which we have a circular colon here, and then at least we will need 6 of the reinforcement also in a circular column, and then in a rectangular column we need at least 4 of the reinforcement. So here we have 4 of Y16, 4 of Y16, and then 4 of Y16 is also needed here. And for the starter bar we need 6 of Y16. So guys, I want you all to subscribe to my channel because I post tutorials like this on civil engineering tutorials. I also post videos on personal finance, productivity and minimalism. Love you guys.